Today, we will learn some vocabulary related to businesses. Say these words with your English voice. Service. Service. This is a system or organization that provides something that people need. Merchandising. Merchandising. This is the activity of making people aware of your products and increasing sales through advertising, special events, etc. Manufacturing. Manufacturing. This is the business of producing goods in large numbers. Corporation. Corporation. This is a large company or group of companies that is controlled together as a single organization. Staff. Staff. This is the group of people who work for an organization. Personnel. Personnel. This is the people who work for an organization, which is a synonym for staff. Cooperative. Cooperative. This is a company that is owned and managed by the people who work in it.